Today we are performing bandobast for Vaikunt Ekadashi festival purpose, and on 8th very unfortunate incident happened in Tirupati in ticket counter, and we are very regret for that incident. Total bandobast force, all things were in place, and total that ticket bandobast purpose itself we have deployed more than 1500 police personnel, and today bandobast purpose we are deploying other 1000. So total we deploying to 24 police personnel for bandobast purpose, and that force deployed or assigned particular duty for Vaikunt Ekadashi bandobast purpose or token bandobast purpose, not at all diverted anywhere. There is no dearth of force. Yes, that incident happened because of unexpected surge of crowd, and sometimes because of error of judgment. So we are verifying all these facts also, and from police side we are assuring all of you that we are here to safeguard you. Sometimes don't be in fear that if they are going for any religious function or anything, that is exceptional issue that happened, and for that we are very much regretful, and we are doing course correction also, and uh, we are investigating case also properly, and whomsoever is responsible we are fixing up responsibility also, and bandobast, yes, there is no dearth of force on the day of token distribution 8th, and today also there is no dearth, no shortfall. Whatever bandobast on in why I am addressing, because I am range DIG of this thing, and 6th, 7th, 8th we perform bandobast for Kuppam, and 8th, 9th, 10th, and continuously up to 19th we are performing bandobast for Tirupati. So we were well aware about that two uh, events are there, so we planned properly. Whatever bandobast is drafted for Kuppam, that was different. Recruitment purpose 6th, 7th we were having recruitment, that bandobast was different, and 8th onwards this ticket distribution purpose, that bandobast was different. So there was no shortfall or no dearth of force on the day of incident. But yes, that incident happened because crowd was there and they were waiting for token or ticket. We are still analyzing reason for opening of that gate, and whether that was open in a proper manner or precautionary measure before opening of that gate taken or not. All these things we are verifying, collecting information from all sources, so that such type of things should not ever happen in future.
You have any CCTV footage, sir?
We are just collecting. We are all, that only I am saying, we are collecting all information, and all technical or other type of evidence we are collecting, so that we can do two things. One is proper investigation, second thing is course correction also, so that in future that should not repeat. That we are collecting. Not only CCTV, sometimes our persons are because mobile phone is also available with us. So if anyone has any footage, please share with us, so that we will have proper idea also.
Police side collected in CCTV footage.
Huh.
Already police side gave the CCTV footage.
Huh.
You check them last yesterday.
Huh.
What report?
No, that only I am saying, it will take some time to give all these further details, you know, because we have to cross check all these things and we have to collect from all sources. Then only we can inform you, because when things are under investigation, if anyone has, please give us. Okay.
ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగినప్పుడు అక్కడ పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారండి?
Almost 90%.
90.
90.
ఒక డిఎస్పీతో
total. Even vigilance side also they are there. So force was there.
విజిలెన్స్ ఆర్
No, excluding police 90.
అంటే ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగింది 8:30కి. ఆ సమయంలో ఉన్నంత 6 మందే ఉన్నారని చెప్పేసి భక్తులు చెప్తున్నారు.
No, that is one thing. Total that particular Ramanaidu, that center to that particular area, total 90 police personnel were there. 2 special party also there. 2 special party with rope, they were there.
అంటే హోల్డింగ్ ఏరియా పెట్టే పార్కులో పోలీసులు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా లేదా?
No, police was present there. What I am trying to say you that opening of gate created issue. So that we are verifying reason for opening of that gate. Second thing, whether before opening of gate proper precautions have taken or not. Because see, normal thing is there when crowd is more in number and suddenly we are allowing crowd to any particular direction, it will be just like a flood water only, suddenly coming. Suddenly surge will come. That all things we are analyzing and verifying and doing course correction also. That is the issue.
అంటే టోటల్ కౌంటర్స్ 8 ఉన్నాయి
8.
తిరుపతి. అక్కడ పోలీస్ సిబ్బంది ఎంత అవసరం ఉందని టీటీడీ మీకు ఏదైనా రిప్రజెంట్ చేసిందా?
See,
కావాల్సిన బందోబస్తు ఏర్పాటు చేయమని చెప్పేసి మీకు ఏదైనా లెటర్ ఇచ్చిందా?
yes, that is normal procedure. That is every time they are following, and this time also they followed, and we also provided force. That only I am saying. Almost that particular 8th, almost 1500 police personnel were deployed for this year Tirupati Bandobast purpose.
అంటే నిన్న సీఎం గారు చాలా స్పెసిఫిక్గా చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే మీకు ఎంత సెక్యూరిటీ అవసరం ఉంది, ఎక్కడ పెడతారు, కొత్త ప్లేస్లో పెట్టినప్పుడు తీసుకోవాల్సిన ప్రికాషన్స్ ఏంటి అన్నది మీరు పేపర్ రూపంలో ఏమైనా ఇచ్చారని చెప్పేసి టీటీడీ అని అడిగారు. మీకు అలాంటిది ఏమైనా వచ్చిందా రాలేదు?
So that see, one thing is there. See, this particular bandobast is always coming in this manner only. When this bandobast purpose, suppose Vaikuntha Ekadashi is there, generally they are informing us that this bandobast may be provided, because without that letter, how come we will be aware that these 8 counters are there? And so many coordination meeting and all other things have happened. And we both, TTD and police. TTD side, their officials, vigilance and police side, they coordinated, and then only we came to that number also, 8 numbers of that counting this ticket center, and bandobast provided basing on that coordination meeting and their requirement also.
అంటే టీటీడీకి పోలీస్కి కోఆర్డినేషన్ లేదు జరిగిందని చెప్పేసి ప్రధానమైన ఆరోపణ. అయితే ముఖ్యమంత్రికి నిన్న ఈవో గారు చెప్పింది పోలీసులు సరైన కంట్రోల్ చేయలేదు, సరైనటువంటి విధానాలు పాటించుంటే ఈ తొక్కిసలాటే జరిగిండేది.
That I am not aware. See, 1 minute. I am not aware what EO has told. I am informing whatever I am aware.
మీడియాలో వచ్చింది.
That is okay. I am not aware what he has told. I am aware. I am informing.
మీరు కంట్రోల్ చేయలేకపోయినారని
No, that
స్పెసిఫిక్ గా చెప్పారు.
what I am trying to say that opening of gate of that park is my main issue. That we are verifying how it is, why that gate was opened, whether during that opening of gate time we have taken proper precautions or not. If not, why? And these all things I am just now informed. We are analyzing all these events and course of events, and so that we should not have same type of issue in future also.
మేడం మీరు ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరుగుతున్న సెంటర్ గురించే చెప్తున్నారు. అంటే మొత్తం 8 సెంటర్లో సుమారు 6 సెంటర్ల వరకు తూపులాటలు జరిగినాయి, కొంతమందికి చిన్న చిన్న గాయాలు ఉన్నాయి. అంటే అక్కడ సిబ్బంది పరిస్థితి అంటే ఇక్కడ మాత్రం 90 మంది ఉన్నారు.
No, all places force was there. That only I am saying. See, you only told me that other places also crowd was more in number, and there are chances for stampede, but it was controlled. Okay? When force is there, it is controlled. Here also force was present there, but now we are verifying why in this particular point we were unable to control. That is the issue.
అట్లే కాదండి, పోలీసు కంట్రోల్ చేయలేకపోయినారు అని చెప్పేసి ఈవో స్పష్టంగా మాట్లాడారు.
See,
అక్కడ విధుల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పోలీసులు కరెక్ట్ గానే యాక్ట్ చేశారని చెప్పేసి మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారా లేదా?
that we are verifying, and we are fixing up responsibility also those who fail to act properly. That I am saying clearly. See, we are not, if our persons have done mistake, they will be held responsible for such mistake. And whomsoever in charge is there, whether he, see, one thing is there, whether that opening of gate, that judgment is correct or not, whether error in that judgment, and because of that stampede type of situation happened, that we are doing that work only, and we are doing proper inquiry, investigation and proper action.
మేడం ఎంట్రీ పాయింట్ ఒకటి ఎగ్జిట్ పాయింట్ ఉంది అక్కడ. గేట్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చిందా?
That only I am saying, no? That only I am saying. Why that gate open?
दो रीजन चालू हो रहा है मैडम। पहले वो एक अंदर रहने वाला आदमी को हेल्थ अच्छा नहीं, इसीलिए गेट ओपन किया, इसीलिए उधर स्टार्टिंग हुआ बोल के बोल रहे। नहीं टिकट देने के लिए
So that's why I'm saying, now still we are, these two reasons are generally in public discussion, so we are verifying what is the thing. And see, opening of gate is one issue, but whether when you are opening of any gate, whether you are taking proper precaution or not, you can't close that gate for 100 of times. But whether before opening of gate you were able to take all precautions or not, that we are.
అంటే హోమ్ మినిస్టర్ కూడా
I'm see, one minute. That I am saying that we are verifying all aspects. When we will have any further information, definitely I will inform you. What I am trying to say by this media gathering, that on the day of that ticket distribution, force was very much available. There is no dearth of force. Whatever force meant for Tirupati, Tirumala, not diverted to Kuppam or police recruitment or any other event. So if any such type of messages are being circulated, it is not correct. First thing. Second thing, why that gate was open, whether before opening of that gate, whether proper precautions were taken or not, these things also we are verifying, fixing up responsibility, and those who are culprit, definitely they will face disciplinary or if required criminal action also.